Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where you can find your email on Spotify. I guess the email that you use to sign in on Spotify and whatnot. This tutorial will be super short, so what you're going to do first is you're going to select the gear icon here. Then you are going to select the Accounts tab, and here you'll find where your email is. You can even edit your email here as well if you want a new email address to be connected to your account. That's basically it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!